Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card charge history in SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your credit card charge history in SoFi, start by opening the SoFi app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the credit card option and select it. You will see a summary of your recent transactions. To view your transaction history, tap on View All Transactions. This will display detailed information about each charge. To back up this information, you will need to use your device's screenshot feature. On most devices, you can take a screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. If you're using an iPhone, press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. After taking the screenshots, navigate to your photo gallery. Create a new album labeled SoFi Transactions for easy organization. Add all the screenshots of your transaction history to this album. You can also opt to share these screenshots with a cloud storage service for additional backup. Open your preferred cloud storage app. Upload the screenshots to your cloud storage account. Ensure that the upload is complete before exiting the app. Now, you have successfully backed up your credit card charge history in SoFi. If needed, you can also export this information via a financial management tool. Check if SoFi has any export features in the Settings or Help section. Once you've backed it up, you can access your charge history anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.